That's way better. What was that about then? Hop bending. Something to do with the hop. Have a go. That just feels...
See if you're happy with the
I
off on
reckon
that.
this £40 gun's better than yours, look.
Try face.
The range on it's awesome.
See if that's alright for the off on that.
Yeah, you what, Cal? What you saying?
I reckon the range on this is awesome.
Yeah, you know yours is going.
Yeah, I know. That's alright.
You want to... Whoa! That's pretty good, Lee. Have you got mixed BBs in here?
I don't, there might be a
I think you've got a few going off.
This mag's crap.
Nice.
That mag's been shit.
Oh, my mags are gone is what it was. Oh, these are shit. The springs are gone. I've got my jungle mag. That should be alright.
Oh, yeah, it kicks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got a weird... So it sounds like it's hitting too hard, doesn't it? But that's the difference. This is a solid gearbox, we'll see. Can't believe that fucking gun. Anyway, I've got a chrono.
Yeah. Do you need ammo?
Oh shit. Yeah, I need some ammo. I don't think that's going to fire. There we go, chrono then. Good morning, old boy. How are we?
What we running in?
We're running 2.5s old bean. Rocking around it. Tell me, I just had to go through 3 mags. I think I've got duff mags, none of them are firing the shit balls. And guess what?
Still nothing firing.
Try again.
One more. Come on.
Lovely. Cheers, my dude.
Right.
Right, I'm gonna... I've got a feeling it is, Richie. Fight, fight, fight.
You're a great role model, Stu.
I know, Brian. And we're old, Richard.
Huh?
We're old.
I'm older than you. Yeah, but the oldest.
Oh yeah, old fart. Right, I'll be back in a minute.
Oi, Rich, that big drum mag.
Yeah. We'll get food as well in a minute.
Right, bud. I'm not jumping a queue, I'm just getting my tea. I left my tea down there. I don't function without tea.
Oh, you've got a GoPro on.
Yeah, I'm not recording. Oh, say hi.
Oh, is it really?
So please guys, just stay away from people you don't know that aren't in your social bubble. So please, ladies and gents, in the game area, no knife killing today. You should
Oh.
watching people you do not know. Make contact with them really, please. If most you single shot prepared. Do not control, you do not wish to. There's a lot of flag changing, tin plating, things like that.
So basically down the other way.
Cheers, my dude. That's ready.
So where should we put it then?
I don't know yet. Let's go forward and have a look. And then you pop it like that. 200 metre range.
200 metres?
Yeah.
Where are we going, Richie?
Right.
Is it going to be? It's everywhere, isn't it?
Hey boys.
Where do we go?
Let's go! Where's Richard going? Off we go then. Oh, we are running.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go, boys. I was like, where's Richard gone? Go, go. Go on, go on. Play, mate. Mag out. Play, dude. Clear it. Play, mate. Play, dude.
Just coming out.
Here we go.
Yo! Yo! Blues! I've got a 10 if anyone wants to run it. Play, mate! This is clear up here, boys. Clear up front! Blues up front! Yeah. Dude, nice. Nice, mate. I'll cover, I'll be here, yeah? Play! Right, friendly, mate. Blue. Are you ready? Oh, sorry. Well played, mate. Good effort, dude. Dead player. Dead player. Play, mate. This is clear up here, boys. Hi ho. Hi ho. Ah, wake up, Stu. I can't bother to run. Oh, I really can't be asked to run anymore. Right, I had the main building. I don't know if we still have.
Yeah, I'll get back to.
Are we in?
Yeah, all the way through.
It's wicked. They came in that way earlier. Yo, I've got eyes in that little cabin in front of me, and they're all stacking up behind it, dude. He's down, play! I've got eyes at your 211. Play! Play, dude! Fucking wicked shot. You see them all stacking up there, look, look, coming in now. You're 211. Clyde! Clyde, dude! Fucking wicked shot. Fuck.
Sorry. I can only see your leg.
See that cabin, yeah?
Yeah.
Got eyes on him?
Nothing. Sorry, but it's filming.
Play, dude!
Right, move at 2 o'clock. Right, 11 o'clock.
Play! Play! Play, buddy! There's some wicked hit taken. Play, dude! Fucking hell. These are floating in. Mag out. Right, I'm pinned. I am pinned, dude. This gun's a goddamn beast. Clyde!
Taking a lot of fire from the building.
Where?
Little grey building, right-hand window.
What, that one? Yeah, okay. Alright, I'll cover if anyone wants to move.
Yo! Here! On the door! Here! Coming out!
Clyde! Clyde! Clyde, buddy! Clyde! Weapon! I'm coming back. I'm having fire shit. No, weapon. Clyde! Fucked. Clyde! Jesus Christ, this is Lee, that shot down there, that's the 70 easy. Just went warm bollock. Twat. Go on, boys. Doesn't like mid caps. Strange. Weird. Yeah. Have you? I've got mid. Yeah. Have you got enough? Legend, thanks mate. Do you want some mids? Oh. I've got them alright if you need them. Yeah, straight away it's better. I think they're too tight. I think it might be my magwell as well. I've got teething problems, boys. Play! Lee, I'm going to try and get in there.
Where you going?
I'm going in that hut in front. I'm going to set a mine in there.
What, that little
Yeah, if I can get in there, yeah.
I'll go clear it.
I'll come with you, hold on. So I'm going to have to be in there a minute to set it up. Right, ready, Lee? Oh, you're alright, dude?
Yep.
Well, well played, mate. Shit, I need fire support, he's down! Good effort, bro. No. Lads, I'm smoking out! Wait there! Smoking out! Well played, boys! Get in, lads, get in! This is I'm putting a mine in here, you do know that.
Where is it?
I don't know how to set it yet, I just smoked it.
Okay.
That's the yellow smoke there, boys! Links, Stu!
Put it up there.
I should put the smoke in the wrong place. What do you reckon in front? Or should we just camp it out here?
What's that, smoke?
Yeah, and I'm going to bang it right over there. No, bang, Mark 7.
Where are they?
They're incoming. They've got Lee, watch out, get in, mate. Shit, what did I do? Idiot, I've left my gun out there. Don't know.
Oh, got one there. Oh shit, fucking run out BB.
Yeah.
Hang on. There!
I did say. You watch them approach in a minute, Carol. I'm just going to do a little cover that, yeah. We've got to watch out for friendly kills. You always forget. You always get. Yeah, he's got eyes on me big time. He can't get out.
Got him.
Well done. Oh, you got a drum mode.
He knows I'm moving.
They know I'm here. So we can't move, basically. We're pinned in here, cow even. Fuck off, man. What we could do now is bide our time and just leave the mine in it and fuck off. That's better. That's about 10 of them looking at us now, mate. Come get it! I'm going grenade out.
Fine.
How long? 35. Boom! Missed him. That was a wicked throw, Cal. I think it hit the tree and dropped down, you know. Right, we need to try and get out. What do you want to do?
Ooh, out where?
I don't know, behind there. Oh shit. Right, you got a target there, yeah? Hard there. As soon as you look out, you'll see him. Got him? You could probably take him.
Behind
You bit more.
still there.
Go on, go on. Go on, he's...
Behind the field thing.
Oh, come in, mate. Go on, Cal, get him, mate. Jot down one. Ricochet! Well played, mate. Oh, hit! Good shot!